Success is not about the luck, it's about the right guidance and hard work. I am Surendra Vishwakarma and I am very happy to say that I get selected in Sureworks Infotech Pvt Ltd with the package of 2.8 LPA. I belong to Latehar district Jharkhand and I completed BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from MGM'S Jawaharlal Nehru Engineering College, uplifted with the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University. My journey with Evision Technoserve has been truly life-changing. The structured training and practical exposure and constant guidance from the trainers helped me to build strong technical skills and confidence. Thanks to their supports, and I am now ready to take on real IT challenges in the industry. I strongly recommended Evision Technoserve to all freshers and job seekers. It is the best platform to save time, energy, money, and while building successful IT career. Thank you so much.